Hello everyone, today let's introduce our H-type fully automatic layer breeding equipment. Now follow me. It's made of highly galvanized, corrosion-resistant, and has a long service life. It adopts sliding doors, which can easy to operate and prevent chicken from getting out. And there is enough space between the cages to achieve better ventilation. The gradient of the bottom height is 7 degrees, which is relatively gentle. The egg can be smoothly rolled onto the rack, minimizing the breakage rate. This is our automatic egg collection system. This is collection belt. It will transfer the egg to the egg collection. People just stand here and place the egg to the crates. This is our automatic feeding system. We can see that there is a feeder and a leveler on the feeder, which can adjust the dosage so that the feed is evenly distributed in the trough. Then this is a V-shaped trough, which can prevent feed waste. This is our automatic drinking water system. Each cage had a water pipe that provides enough water for the chicken. There is also a V-groove below to reduce the water drop on the chicken manure. This is a pressure-reducing valve that can adjust the water pressure. This is our automatic manure cleaning system. This is our automation cage production workshop. Part of screen is made by artificial